Yes, I love cooking because cooking can make happy for my family, and and cooking is no go because cooking cooking and Hi, my first job was a network engineer. After graduated, I worked at a Japanese company, which is IT trading company. So after graduated, I moved to Tokyo, where is my first company headquarters, and then I trained for 3 months. After that, I moved to Osaka, and this is local branch for my previous company, first company, and I worked for 5 years at this company. Thank you.